Hey everyone, Sack here. I have an announcement to make. Cat Cartoon Recreation has arrived at the Om Animation Studios. So, in January 2004, the model also known as Cat Cartoon, which later will be Talking Tom. Very funny, Alice and Om. You two are jokers. How did Pat get the toilet paper?
Oh no! Hey, come back here, you stinking roll! Pat, can I get a little help over here? This is so embarrassing.
Psst. Is he trying to be annoying?
Oh, really? Brilliant.
But, before I get going, can you do me a favor? Fred the cat texture needs to be replaced. His fur is too dark. In Source Filmmaker, Fred's flexes don't work, like mad, eyebrows raise, and smile. Quitter silly, huh? But then, new Fred the cat is replaced by an old model. Just for sure, he's a lazy cat. He has gray fur and green eyes. Over here, there is Leon the chat. He has orange fur.
Huh?
I don't think so. Okay, Alex announced would replace the model into Cat Cartoon Recreation. Got me? Good. Now, let's get on with it. Would you like to come join me? No problem.
Excuse me.
Yes!
This doesn't look good. Let's do this.
Очень смелый пилот, потому что только смелый полезет в самолет. Потому что только смелых уважает высота. Потому что в самолете все зависит от винта.
Hee-Hee. Wow! That video was terrific. The dark gray fur is replaced into light gray fur. Now, it's Fred the cat.
Huh. No problem.
The old Fred character is messed up, and new Fred character is right. Old Fred character model will continue in the movie, Sackboy to the Meltdown, 2009 film. Join us after the program for a special message from Om Animation. Hee-Hee. Stay tuned right after these messages.
I'll take care of yourself.
Huh?